Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is the Buffalo Blue Cheese Smash Burger, aka the red, white, and blue, because America. It's that time of year, we're all outdoors, we're all cooking, so a great one to have in your pocket is a smash burger. This one in particular, we're dedicating to the 4th of July, Independence Day, so we're using all colors, red, white, and blue. Before we head to the griddle, I'm just gonna get our buns ready so everything's ready to go. Got some sesame buns here, and these are gonna steam on the cool side of the griddle while we make the smash burgers. And the way we're gonna steam those is by wrapping them up in paper towels that have been dampened. So we'll just place those right in the middle here, cover them up, wrap them up nice and tight. And as the water heats up in the paper towel, it's gonna steam the buns to soften them. Let's just get a little bit of avocado oil down first. And this thing is like crazy hot. It's on high heat and it's already hot even when it's not on high heat. I use a little bit of parchment to make sure that my spatula doesn't stick. And we're popping down these Creekstone Farms Brisket Blend burger pucks. They're 1/4 pound. We're gonna make an American-sized cheeseburger and stack them double high today. And you just wanna work those edges just to get it nice and flat. This Victorinox burger press, burger spatula is designed specifically for this kind of job because it's heavy duty. Nice, big, wide, flat space. Buns going down on the other side to start steaming. I guarantee that this one is already ready to flip, even though it's only been on for probably a minute. So we're just gonna work that loose and give it a flip. Oh yeah, nice sear. We're gonna season these up with some Obie Steakmaker, which is like it's got a good Worcestershire flavor to it. Then we'll pop some cheese on top. We're gonna start flipping the rest. So white American cheese going onto the burgers. Then blue cheese is gonna come into play here in a little bit. Next, we're adding the red to the equation in the form of Yo Mama's buffalo sauce. This stuff is really good for a pre-made buffalo sauce. And then what I like to do is just kind of baste them in that sauce, bring it back to the burger. It reduces and intensifies those buffalo flavors. This is a super quick burger, which is fun because you can get creative with your smash burger. Even for a bigger crowd, you just need enough griddle space to do it. The Fusion Griddle that we're cooking on today, we could easily get a dozen burgers on here at a time. Now as these burgers finish up, I'm just gonna turn this over, get the opposite side, start taking some burgers off and close the lid. Let those buns finish up, getting soft, and then we'll go build these burgers. Buns have softened up, nice and squishy now. All right, if you're a pickle lover like I am, add some pickles. These are some really great ones. Dad's Spicy from Holmes. A dill flavor, not a sweet pickle. And you get a lot of different options in there between the onions, the peppers, and the cucumbers. All right, double stacked now. I know they got a good buffalo bath, but we're just gonna hit them a little bit more. Woo, woo. And then finish it off with some blue cheese on top. So here's the blue to our red, white, and blue. This is gonna add a little bit of funkiness to all this savoriness. Get the vinegar from the buffalo sauce, get a little bit of heat in there. Always trying to balance those flavors out in different ways. Boom, America, baby. Let's get it. That beef is so good. When you smash them like this, you get a ton of texture out of it, right? That crust on the outside. This isn't a thing where you're gonna think about it being medium well, whatever. It is what it is when it's done. But this stuff doesn't dry out. It's, I wanna say 81-19. So it's got a good fat amount, which helps keep it juicy. Second thing I noticed is the funky blue cheese, and then the creamy white American cheese. And of course you got the buffalo sauce, but it's almost an undertone. It's like, I fed these to my coworkers and one of the guys was like, I'm not really getting the buffalo. And then like 2 bites later, he's like, I'm getting all the buffalo. So it builds on you a bit. Anyway, Super simple, and for sure, I'd smash it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.